Good morning, everybody. Okay, today I will teach you the text. Okay, the text. Last day I have already told the make it shorter. Please open at the page number 111. Okay. So only one question I have written, page number 113. Make it shorter. Class 2 text. You cannot see me, but it's no problem, beta. You can see that board also. Riddhi Oshmit, can you Ovirup? Indrakshi also, you cannot see me. Let me see. Now can you see me? Ushmit. Devoshmita, can you please tell me, can you see me or not? Yes, Indrakshi is telling yes, Obhirup is telling yes. So please. Kritika, please off your front camera. Beta. Okay, so today I will teach you make it shorter. Make it shorter. Page number 113. Last day I have read and also I have already written question number 1. Kritika, please beta off your front camera. Kritika Pal. Yes, very good. So here, one thing, just listen to me again, once again I am telling the story. Akbar, and this is a story of Akbar and Birbal. So Akbar one day drew one line and also he told his member of the court that please make it shorter without erasing it. Okay, without erasing it, make it shorter. Now, all the minister of the court, they are puzzled and they were thinking, how did they do? But Birbal was very intelligent. So, he was thinking that he can do. And what he did do? What he had done? He made one longer line under the shorter line. So, make it short. It already made it short. So, he was very intelligent. And actually, this is called the presence of mind. Okay? Presence of mind. Presence of mind, in Bengali we are telling that upasthit buddhi. Okay? Means at that moment, just he had a idea. He had an idea. So, question number 1, I have written that. I think that day Indrakshi or all these things you have written, no? So, what did Akbar order one day? That question I have written. And what did each minister do? Another thing, what did each minister do? So, question number 2, what did each minister do? What did each minister do? So each minister looked at the line and was puzzled. That answer is in your book. So, each minister looked at the line and was puzzled. So that is the thing. How did Birbal make the line shorter? How did Birbal make the line shorter? And Kritika, have you completed? Because at that time you were slow. I think now you can complete at the. Okay. Listen to me again. How did Birbal, what did each minister do? Each minister looked at the line and was puzzled. Question number 3. How did Birbal make the line shorter? How did Birbal make the line shorter? Answer is here. Answer number 3. Birbal drew another longer line, okay, or a longer line under the first line. So, under the first one. Okay, Kritika, very good, beta. You have completed. So, Birbal drew a longer line under the first one. So, first one is shorter. So, he made first one shorter than second one without erasing it. It means the first one. So, Birbal drew a longer line under the first one. So, he made the first one shorter than the second one without erasing it. Okay. So, that is the thing that Birbal had done. And here, last day I told you that when the comparison is done, that time we are using short, shorter, bright, brighter, dark, darker, like this. Whenever we are comparing two things, that time we are using ER. Okay, short, shorter, bright, brighter, dark, darker, light, lighter, big, bigger, fast, faster. So that is the thing that we are doing like this. Okay, ER, and more than 2, we are using that bright, brighter, brightest. Okay, brighter, bright, brighter, brightest, like this. So here it is like this. Bright, brighter, brightest, first, faster, fastest, like this we can use. And only this much they have given. Next class or sometimes you will read more than this. Here, page number 114, the discuss with your partner, draw pictures to show the following. The ball on the left side and bigger than one. That is in your math. Okay, beta, Sania also completed. Everybody, I think, has completed. Sania means Lisa, like, let me see. Lisa, no? Shania Khatun means Lisa Khatun, no? Okay. Indrakshi, Hidi, Ayushpal, Oshmit, all this today 13 people has joined. Where is Oshmi? Okay, beta. Okay, ma'am. Amurto, how are you? Every day you are joining. I have seen that. And this time? Yes, beta. Lisa, I can understood. Okay. Okay, Kritika, very good. And Amurto, when is your birthday? Will you not invite us like last time? Okay, beta. Ushmi, Torpon, everybody is completed, I think. Okay. Okay, beta. Everybody, very good. So here, another one story, Mouse and the Pencil. One day, little mouse was looking for something to eat. He found a pencil. I am going to bite you, said the mouse. That is page number 115. Okay. So here, page number 114, you should do the homework. Page number 114. Page number 114, you should do homework. That is very easy. Here the ball on the left side bigger than another right side. So here Rita is shorter than Radha. Raghu is basket is heavier than Ratan's. Rajat is taller than Raj. So here draw the pictures. So you can draw in your home. Okay. And next page. So here one mouse wants to bite a pencil. So you are hurting me, said the pencil. Let me draw you one last picture and you can do what you like. Very well, said the mouse. The pencil drew a big circle. Is that the cheese? You know that mouse like cheese very much. Asked the mouse. Well, we will call it cheese, said the pencil. And you drew 3 little circles inside the big one. And that's an apple. Squeaked. Yes, beta, Ushmit. And that's an apple, squeaked the mouse. Let's call it an apple, said the pencil, and began to drawing some funny curve. Okay, funny curved things near the second circle. Why, these are cucumbers, said the mouse, licking his lips. I wish you were hurry. I cannot wait to get my teeth into them. Okay. The pencil drew 2 little triangles on the top circles. Oh, squeaked the mouse. The squeak means the sound of a mouse. Now you have made like a cat. Don't go on. But the pencil went on and it drawn long whiskers mouth on the top circle. The mouse cried out the terror. It's a real cat. Help! Now see, if you can draw a cat that looks like real enough, then frighten out the mice. Describe the cat in your own words. Okay, that is the thing. So here, story is that the pencil can draw so many things, like apple, cheese, and after that, one cat. And so that cat was so real that mouse was frightening about that. Okay. So after that, she left. So it is also the presence of mind. Okay. So you can do so many things with your pencils. And here they told describe the cat in your own words. That you can do 5 lines. What the cat is having, the color of the cat, you like or not. If you like, you can think that I like it, I want to make it pet, your pet cat. If you are having pet cat, that is also you can write. Okay. terror. Terror means that horror or some frightening thing. Some frightening thing, scary thing. So many words I am telling. Frightening, scary. Actually in Bengali that is some, that is we are telling that bhoy. Okay, bhoyer jinish. So here he was very much frightening. So he was just frightening away from that cat. Here the pencil, this story only for that reading story, and you can draw it, you can write about the cat. Only this much is there. After that also page number 118, one material they have given to do. No need to do this, but page number 111 you can, yes, page number 119 means 119, that is also homework, because that is cursive writing. You should complete it. Okay, if you are having any problem, please tell me. Those who are present, write the P. I have already seen. Please, those who are present, write P. Okay. Yes, beta, Ushmit, I will give in the YouTube. But if you are having any problem, please write to me. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.